Alright, tank view. So, where can I put the camera at? Alright, so over here is better not jump my camera. Right here, there. Careful not to break this. Why do it look so dark? It looks so red. The flapper's still red, but looks dusty as well. Yeah. So here we go. Right. I'll hold it right there until it's fully hooked, okay? Okay. Alright, let's put the tingler back on. So, yeah, let's do this. Wait. Better not frickin' pawn my video camera. Shh. Alright. Alright, so yeah. Alright, bye guys. Alright, let's pause video camera. Let's do this.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words.